What's up guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how I did this flaming skull nail art, so let's get started. For the base, I'm going to apply one coat of this Holo Taco Not Milky White. Next, I'm going to protect my skin by using this liquid latex because I'm doing gradient. Before I proceed, I'm going to apply one coat of top coat. And then I'm going to use this Holo Taco Red licorice, lemon sucker, and orange drink. I also use a non-latex makeup sponge to make a gradient. Then I'm going to start applying all three colors by overlapping it. Oh, look at that. So beautiful. Then I'm going to dab on my nails until it's fully opaque. This polish really has a good formula though. It just took me a couple of dabs and it's done. Next, I'm going to remove the liquid latex and oh shit, this is what happened when you use a peel or base coat. Okay, let's try and separate this. Oh, this is not gonna work. I'll be right back.
A few moments later.
Okay, so I managed to cut the latex, but I messed up the design, so I'm going to quickly take this off. So, after I clean up everything, I'm going to take a small detail brush and some of that green polish and just go in and fix that mess around my cuticle. Apply another top coat. Next part of this design, I'm going to use 3 of this stamping polish, a black stamping polish, and 2 different stamping plates. I'm going to put the link on all of the products I use in this video down in the description box, just in case you would like to purchase all these products. I'm going to apply all these 3 polish on this flame image, scrape, pick it up and stamp it on my nails. I'm going to do the same thing with this skull image and stamp it on top of that flame. Then I apply my final top coat. And that's it for this video. If you'd like to see me do more nail art, comment down below and let me know what would you like me to do next. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See ya!